Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Thursday morning, coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. The subscribe button's right there. I'm really trying to get the 500 subs by the end of this month. So if you hit the subscribe button, it's much appreciated. So I wanted to talk about yesterday's basically moves in the market. There were a lot of huge moves. I wrote today, however, it's yesterday, so my bad. But I meant yesterday. So these are the big four. A couple of them I said I was going to focus on this week as far as potential buys. First one was Beyond Meat, ticker is BYND. That's the ticker for Beyond Meat. That was a buy that I made a couple days ago, saying like this is a stock you should look into. It's a potential buy this week. However, yesterday it had a 10.66% rally. So it put the cost base at $149.60. A couple weeks ago, or maybe like 10 days ago, it was sitting around $101, $100. So my cost base is around 120 or 118. So right now, I really think it's a little, the market has rallied so much. What I do is I don't really buy ever on green days. I know the market's very volatile right now and things can flip really quick based on what the Fed says, or, when the president makes a press conference, if news comes out that they don't like. Things can change and happen really quick. So that's something that I, basically never buy on green days, because as a long-term investor, there's always going to be opportunity. So massive day, really happy with that. Next one is Corsair Gaming, ticker is CRSR. So that is the ticker for Corsair. It had a 6.15% upwards move yesterday. Now the cost is $34.20. So this is around where my cost base is. It was floating around the $31, $32 range. I was really waiting for it to go in like $29, $30 range. My cost base, my position's pretty well built out already, so I wasn't like super urgent in building a cost base, but I love this stock under 35. Like I really, really do. So if you're not in this stock, jumping in now is not a bad idea. Just average cost down if the market corrects or does something crazy. So that's a crazy gain today. That was on the watch list. Ttcf, ticker is TTCF. It had a 7.01 gain today, and that means it closed yesterday at 23.19. So it's been floating in the like 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like sub 20 for weeks. And I felt like that was one of the best deals in the market personally. And if you watched my previous videos, I was buying this stock almost every day for I think a week or two. And I let you guys know what percentage I averaged in of my position. So that way it gives you a gauge on, how big I went with my current position amount. So amazing. This doesn't surprise me. Tattoo Chef's going to be, an $8 to $10 billion market cap one day. No doubt in my mind. They're just doing the right things. Constant good news. They're just going to kill the game. So anything under 25 on this one, I really, really, really like, especially with news. Even under 30, I like. So this is still a good buy. However, my cost base is in the $17, $18 range. So I'm fully built out. I don't really want to average cost up. I'd rather focus on other stocks like Corsair Gaming. I'd rather buy right now, personally, around that cost base, because, that is like my cost base basically. Last one is Virgin Galactic, ticker Space, SPCE. They had a 9.14% rally, and they closed yesterday at $31.52. So this stock, not too long ago, like 2 weeks ago, was sitting at like the $15 range, which was crazy. So you could have doubled your money in about 2 weeks in a stock that just had a lot of good news. They had a successful launch. Next phase is sending a couple people in the shuttle to see if it works. And then third phase is obviously Richard Branson's going to space. So this is a really exciting stock. So my thoughts on why it was such a crazy day in growth and value. And if you're wondering if I sold the stocks when the value and growth stocks were having massive sell-offs the past couple months, I did not. I was averaging costs down because I believe in the fundamentals of every company I own. So it's just really a buying opportunity. That's how I look at it. That's one of the advantages you have as a long-term investor. So thoughts on the market right now? I think that the whole AMC and GameStop and BlackBerry, all those meme stock retail investors, are really pushing hard to move these stocks up. And what that does is, with the news, with the Fed saying this and that, it's really, I think the growth and value stocks were so undervalued. They did a 180, and now people are pricing in like, okay, well maybe they're oversold now. So I think people are rushing back into these stocks. So they like basically sold too much off in the past like month or 2 or 3. So that's what I think is going on, which is great. If you held your position, you average cost down as a long-term investor should, if you believe in the companies. You just got discount on all these companies, and now they're running back up like crazy, and you just have a bigger cost base, or you lowered your cost base, and now you got more shares. So it's a win-win, really, however you slice it as a long-term investor. If you're confident in what you're doing and you always have cash on the sideline to take advantage of things, like it's really a win-win. It's just a game you don't get rich overnight, like these meme stocks and all these crazy life-saving YOLO investors. Like it will work for one person, but for every one person it works, it's gonna fail for 100,000. So unless you want to gamble and think you're that one person, have at it. But for most of you guys watching this video, I guarantee it won't work in your favor. So I feel like this is the best way to do it. These were big movers yesterday. I'm really excited to see what the market does today. I'm just very curious to see how it's going to react. Obviously, Friday we have an unemployment press conference. We're going to see the numbers. So the last one that was done was April. That's a big day in the afternoon. So that could make the market go really green or really red, depending on what they say and what happened and the numbers are. So we'll see. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. I post videos every day at 9 a.m. And that's all I got. Peace.